Hey YouTube, this is me from my house. I'm gonna show you how to clean Xbox 360 desk CD. This time it's the Mortal Kombat Complete Edition. Here you see. First of all, you need to get the Dynex. It's mostly used for TVs and screens and all those things. The plasma. But today we're gonna use it on this CD right here, that it's gonna work like with the CDs and all the stuff. First of all, you need to check how much is going out. There you go. Let me turn it off. Right there. So it's going out too much, so we're gonna spray a little right there and right there and right there. Now we're gonna get a clean tissue and you're gonna wipe, not like this way, no, like that, you have to do it this way right here, like this. Like this. Try it to be dry anywhere. It's to be dry. Right, it's completely dry. Dry right now. You can see there's no more. Let me take out the flash. No more scratches. No more scratches. No line. And we're gonna try this on the Xbox right now. We're gonna change. Get the same CD in the hand. Oh, I drop it. Oops, I got another CD inside there. We're gonna try a nice reading. See? So let's make sure it's working right. It's loading right now. Credits. It's just working fine. Yeah, so here we are. Everything's working fine. So this is a better way or a different way. Thank you for watching.